Hello everyone, welcome back to Gowri Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make Desi style macaroni recipe. Before going to the video, if you are new to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Now let's see how to do it. Take 2 cups of dry pasta shells. Add this to hot boiling water. Before adding that, to this water, let's add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon oil. Close this with a lid and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes in medium flame. Now our pasta is perfectly cooked. Let's filter the water and wash the pasta in running water. After washing, add 2 teaspoons of oil and coat it with oil. After this step, let's add little oil to a kadai. For tempering, add 1 teaspoon jeera, grated ginger and garlic paste, 2 teaspoon, 2 green chilli, 1 cup big onion finely chopped. Fry all these ingredients for some time. Now the onions have turned golden brown in color. Let's add 1 full cup of ripened tomato finely chopped. Don't grind any ingredients. Chop them and add it. Now let's add chili powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala powder half teaspoon, required amount of salt, soya sauce half teaspoon, tomato ketchup 1 tablespoon, and mix all the ingredients together. Sort them well for some time. Sort it well for some time. Now let's add half teaspoon turmeric powder and mix this well with the masala. Take 1 cup capsicum, carrot and cabbage. Slice all these ingredients vertically. You can also have green peas and sweet corns, mushrooms, any vegetables of your choice. After sauteing these vegetables for 5 to 10 minutes, let's sprinkle little water. After adding water, now let's add the macaroni. Coat the masala well on the macaroni. Now our Desi style macaroni is ready. For garnishing, you can add cheese and coriander leaves. If you like this video, please do like, share and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.